Hello Collective, check natin ano yung mga energies ngayong araw na to. Garden, this is an indication na may mamimit ka. Or pwedeng may lakad, outdoor event, ayan no. Pwedeng literal na garden. Anything na gagawin sa open spaces or open spaces, malawak na lugar, pwedeng yun nga specific garden or pwedeng may events, social gathering, pwedeng may mga mamimit ka dito, yung mamimit mo pwedeng new friends, some of you could meet someone na pwedeng maging romantic connection, no? Okay, mag-ingat when it comes to health. This is a very challenging card. Kung problem ito, mabigat na problem ito. Pwedeng matinding problema sa pera or sa health or anything na pwede mong pagdaanan na mahirap, mabigat, no? Kalbaryo or crisis. Pwede rin itong kalungkutan. May messenger dito. It could be good news. Ayan, hindi lang naman negative card yung lilitaw dito. Ayan, part ng readings guys yan. Pwede may positive, negative. So, importanteng balita or good news paparating sa'yo. This could also indicate a visitor. Pwedeng may dadalaw, bibisita sa inyo. Ano ba ito? Manliligaw or friend or kahit sino, relative. Someone will reach out to you. Isang indication yun. This is also an indication of travel since parang may movement dito. Kabayo. Okay. Ano pa? Okay, a person. Pwede ka talaga may mamimit na person and pwedeng magiging romantic connection mo yan. Pwede ring maging matalik na kaibigan. Kasi pag nakita nating tong gentleman, this is your significant other or special someone eh. Or kung wala ka pang ganun, paparating pa lang, magiging special someone pa lang. Ayan merong parang romantic offer din kasi dito with the Cavalier.